Hi everyone, my name is Vaibhav and I am back with my third part of my J.A.R.V.I.S A.I video. So I have already described this much code in my first two videos, and today we'll be coding more functions. I have already told you one function, but this is also a very important function, and so let's start. So the function name is def wish me. Def wish me. Okay, so we'll give it this name, and in this function we'll make up a variable named as r equal to int. After int we'll write date time or date time dot date time dot now. Okay, now we'll just start up a normal bracket. Okay, and dot r. Okay, next we'll now we have made up our variable r. Now this function we are making is so that our Jarvis knows what is the time, and it could just take the time and then say good morning, good afternoon, and or good evening. So we have to add an condition in it. So let's put the condition. So we type if r is greater than 0 and r r it's more and it's more than 12, then speak good morning. So over here you can put your own name. I'm just adding my own name here. Elif r is greater than 12 to 12 and r 18 is greater than r, then speak good afternoon. Sir Vaibhav. Okay, now we'll write our last condition and we'll put it in else speak good evening, Sir Vaibhav is okay, so you can put your own name instead of Vaibhav. So this was our wish me function. Thanks for watching the video. Let's so we'll write more about this J.A.R.V.I.S A.I. So let's meet in the next video. Bye. I love Jar.